Today we are unboxing and for the first time using this brand new Kamado grill. It's a radical departure from what you've seen on the show in the past. It's kind of like in the same style as the green egg, which many people know. It's got a ceramic lining on the inside and it's made of cast iron. It's very heavy, 250 pounds. And it's supposed to be able to do all sorts of stuff that the other grills can't do, namely maintain a much higher temperature. It's much more efficient. You can smoke in it, you can bake, you can cook pizzas, everything. So we're going to start to take this box apart and assemble it, and then later on we're going to use it. So we have to tilt it on its end because it wasn't delivered properly. We have to attach the brackets for the shelves because that'll help us lift it. Bolting on the side table brackets here. So we're putting them in, but we're not actually tightening them yet, because that has to happen when everything else comes together. So to tighten these, we lock the wheel, we just turn the whole assembly like that, and it's good to go. Okay, so it's locked in place. Now we tighten everything up. We're ready to put the grill body down on this thing. Alright, we need a lock washer and a flat washer. This actually allows you to regulate the airflow through the bottom. So you actually probably don't need to put this in right now. It's basically done at this point. So what you can get is you can get all sorts of cool inserts where you can divide the firebox into two chambers, and then you can put the coal on one side and have nothing on the other side, and it creates this circular airflow. Or you can put a heat deflector right over top of the coal, and it allows you to bake and do stuff like that. Or you can just use a pizza stone. Time to fire it up.